Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the descriptive adjective. As I have earlier told you in my previous video of adjective that there are total 8 kinds of adjective. So these 8 kinds are like descriptive adjective, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, numeral, quantitative, proper, and possessive. And I'm going to start with the descriptive adjective. This adjective tells us about the quality of nouns. ये एडजेक्टिव्स हमें नाउन की क्वालिटी के बारे में बताते हैं और ये क्वालिटी जो है वो उस चीज़ के ओपिनियन, साइज़, एज, शेप, कलर, ओरिजिन और मटेरियल से रिलेटेड हो सकती है. एज वी ऑल नो दैट नाउन इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ थिंग और उस चीज़ से जुड़ी हुई जैसे किसी चीज़ का साइज़ कैसा है, उसका कलर कैसा है, मटेरियल कैसा है. सो दीज थिंग्स वी केम टू नो विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव्स. These type of adjectives add detail और description. ये adjectives noun में की description को add करते हैं. For example, Monica said, "Wow, this is a great game." In this sentence, game is a noun and great word is the descriptive adjective because this is adding some more description to the noun game. A worthwhile rivalry had been born. Worthwhile, this descriptive adjective is giving some details about the rivalry noun. Let's read once again that descriptive adjective describes a noun. It can describes its quantity, quality, color or size. आपको पता है जो नाउन है, नाउन इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ थिंग और जो चीज़ें हैं वो हमेशा क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी, कलर और साइज़ उन चीज़ों से जुड़ी होती हैं. सो लेट्स सी सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक दैट शी हैज़ 3 balloons. 3 is the describing adjective and this is telling us about the quantity of the noun balloons. The red balloon are for the party. Here is the red color. Red is the descriptive adjective and this is telling us about the color of the noun balloons. Next is there are many balloons that are overfilled and many is the descriptive adjective which is describing the noun balloons. Next is that is an amazing balloon. Here again the amazing word, this is describing, giving more details about the noun balloon. So let's read some descriptive words like which are used as describing words like hot, cold, large, small, loud, quiet, hard, soft, smooth, sharp, wet and dry. These are the words which we are used to give details or the description to a noun, to the name of a thing, which we are using in a sentence to explain that thing, to add more details about that thing or the noun. We use these words like hot, cold, large, small, etc. These words are used to describe noun. So let's read some more words are there. For the hearing words we can use buzz, clatter, mumble, rumble, squeal and wail. For tasting words bitter, blunt, salty, spicy, tangy and tart. For feeling words bumpy, frosty, furry, prickly, slippery and sticky. Next is the smelling words like burnt, fresh, musty, rotten, sour and sweet. Next is the seeing words like cluttered, crooked, immense, lovely, shabby and tidy. Next are the color words like aqua, beans, bronze, coral, ebony and violet. So all these words are the descriptive words which add description, detail to a noun which we are using in a sentence, and these words are called the descriptive adjectives because these words add detail or description to the noun which we are using in a sentence. These are called the descriptive words. So, some more descriptive words are there like interesting category, absorbing, amusing, captivating, compelling, diverting, and engaging. For amazing, astonishing, awesome, breathtaking, brilliant, extraordinary, fabulous. For happy, amused, blissful, bright, charmed, cheerful, and contented. For the nice, gracious, kind, lovely, pleasant, pleasing, and pleasurable. For great, that is the phenomenal, spectacular, superb, superior, terrific, and wonderful. For the next category, that is the funny, like amusing, comical, droll, entertaining, farcical, and gleeful. These words are distributed here according to the category. You can learn them and use them according to your requirement, that in the sentence which noun you are using, according to the need you can choose the word from here and you can use it as a descriptive word, because these words which are giving detail or the description about the noun, these words are called the descriptive adjectives. Once again, these descriptive words are used for a noun to explain something about a noun. These words gives detail about a noun. So these words are called the descriptive words, which are called the descriptive adjective. So once again, the different categories are also there so that it would be more easy and the area would be more wide for you if you want to use these descriptive words. Like nice, for nice you can use enjoyable, lovely, pleasing, amiable, charming, kind, delightful, and pleasant. For amazing category, astonishing, awesome, fabulous, fantastic, incredible, stupendous, wonderful, and unimaginable. For the good category, excellent, amazing, wonderful, marvelous, exceptional, fantastic, super, and outstanding. For the happy category, amused, bright, charmed, cheerful, contented, delighted, eager, and optimistic. Delicious, appetizing, tasty, flavorful, delectful, scrumptious, mouth-watering, yummy, and juicy. For the next is kind, sympathetic, warm-hearted, generous, amiable, considerable, gentle, gracious, and kind-hearted. For the bad, awful, terrible, horrible, rotten, crumpy, naughty, dreadful, and nasty. For small, tiny, petal, mini, little, slight, minute, skimpy, and miniature. For the love category, admire, adore, appreciate, cherish, enjoy, fancy, savor, and like. For the rich category, wealthy, prosperous, affluent, well heeled, fat cat, flush, loaded, and deep packaged. For the funny category, amusing, comical, droll, entertaining, farcical, gleeful, hilarious, humorous. For the big category, towering, huge, large, immense, colossal, giant, massive, and tremendous. So let's see some more adjectives to describe character and personality. These are the words which I have given you, which you can use when you are using a personality and a character as a noun in a sentence. So once again, you can easily learn them, you can easily use them, because these words are used when we are using a character or a personality to describe, and these adjectives describe the character of a person. But in short, every adjective, every descriptive adjective is the word which adds details or the descriptions about the noun which we are using in a sentence. This gives us the detail about the noun. So the words which we are using, those words are called the descriptive adjective because they are giving some more information about that noun. Those are called the descriptive adjectives. So at the last, let's once again revise it again, that the adjectives which tells us about the kind or the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called the descriptive adjective. For example, good girl. Good is describing the noun girl. Hard work. Hard again is the descriptive adjective which is describing the noun work. Then long stick, long. This is giving us detail about the noun stick. Next is big tree. This big word is the descriptive adjective which is giving us information about the noun tree. For examples, it is sweet, he is clever, they are hungry, Shubhi is beautiful. So all these words which describes a noun or a pronoun, these words are called the descriptive adjectives because they are giving us the detail or the description about the noun which is used in a sentence. So I hope you understand this well and you like this. Thank you.